Hello there, my beloved friends and faithful supporters, and anybody watching a video. God bless you. My name is Doug Schwaderer. We're missionaries here in Tenerife, part of the Canary Islands and part of Spain. So we've been here 15 years, and today we're showing you a few glimpses of some of the things that we do to get the Word of God out. So one of the things we do is kind of unusual, maybe, but we put the tracts on the cars, and I found out, you know what? No car has ever refused a gospel tract. But obviously we want the people to take it, and I think they do. Most of them do. Just quickly, we do work in the prison also. In this New Testament, we've been giving out quite a bit, and God's really using it. A lot of people have read the whole thing through, and some of them have even been saved because of it. And then, of course, we have the John and Romans that we pass out anywhere to friends, neighbors, door to door, straight work, and then we have the invitations of our church. So I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for all your love and your friendship, your support, and your prayers. Because without you, we couldn't be here. And may God bless you as we keep working together for the glory of God. Thanks.
Amigos de San Isidro, yo soy Douglas de la Iglesia Bautista. Yo tengo buenas nuevas para ti. Jesucristo dijo en Juan capítulo 3, versículo 16. Por tanto, amó Dios al mundo, que dio su Hijo unigénito. Es Jesucristo que Dios dio a ustedes, que Cristo murió.
¿Tiene correo electrónico?
No tiene, pero si me llama, yo no tengo el otro.
Muchas gracias.
Número 8, que se llama Mirad cuál amor nos ha dado el Padre. Amén. Ok, ¿listos?
Mirad cuál